Hello, welcome back to LIVENODING. In this episode, I'll be sharing with you how I created this ball and pipe simulations using grease pencil strokes. So we have this grease pencil 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is gonna turn it into some kind of simulations. So the balls is actually a rigid body simulations, and this pipe also that's being kind of open on the top. If I make adjustment on the grease pencil, everything will update. Okay, so the pipe itself is a bit funny looking, but I'm gonna explain to you what's going on. So this is what we got. Grease pencil and all this node setup. I will explain in a bit. I'm gonna turn on all the processing and let's see how this works. So the grease pencil, let's see, if I make any adjustment to this guy, for example, if I move it up or down, everything will update. Okay, so that's the idea. Originally I didn't have this face masking. I think everything is kind of close. So like if I get rid of the mask, yeah, it's a little bit funky now. Actually, I quite like this. This is actually masking the polygon face, kind of like a checker pattern in the checker pattern. But originally, before all the masking, it's just a normal pipe. So this is easier to explain. And so what I provide to sverchok nodes is this 4 different strokes. And the strokes is originally on the same plane, I believe. So if I get rid of these, so now they're back to the original position. What's different is how I push the pipe in the z-axis, because when I'm drawing the original grease pencil, I'm drawing it on this plane, right? It's flat, and I thought I want to make a pipe so I can kind of direct the balls from original position, the start position, to the end position over here. But I can easily make changes at any time using the grease pencil, and just scale it, or just make changes. It's gonna update properly. Or sometimes it does that weird things. The twisting happens, maybe that's from grease pencil, but maybe we can simplify the stroke. Something like that. Oh, actually, didn't make any changes. I think I accidentally draw 2 different grease pencils. Oh well, the idea is you can basically, so if I actually make changes to the grease pencil stroke, these kind of things, I mean, it's not a bug, it's just maybe something else I need to change. Okay, so this stroke, I'm just gonna delete everything. So let's say you have the ball position over here and you want to make this line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. There you go. The pipe's being generated, and we can now place our balls there. and hoping it will fall at the right spot. There. It's gonna fall. So you can see this is simulated. It's kind of a little bit like I remember there's a game that allows you to draw. I forget the name of the game, but I think it's really great game. Oh, okay, it stops there. Okay, it's not perfect, but let's see. We have grease pencils, and we can control, like I said, we can control the depth. So by default, if I zero out everything here, the pipe will just look like this. Doesn't look too nice. So I decided, okay, in order to reduce that drop, I can play around with this, the depth. So the pipe is no longer in the same plane. Alright, so if I reuse the mask, okay, this looks quite nice actually. So while it's falling, I'm gonna explain what's going on. So it's very simple. Grease pencil coming in, and I'm doing this resembling, and there's this vector interpolation, etc. UV connections. The one that's actually useful is here, the list input. So we have 4 different strokes. So we also provide 4 different vector, so we can push the grease pencil into new position, and then we just simply join them together, and then we're gonna use another UV connections, and then we bevel it so we have a nice corner. But the thing is, after we bevel things, we need to do the vector sorting of the points, because this create a new vertices at the corner, and it's gonna mess up a little bit with the ordering, so we need to sort it out using connections. And after we do that, we use this bevel, so we can have simplified design. For example, something like this. This is actually a triangle. No, it's a hexagon. Can try different design. And what else we have? The masking. Okay, the masking. With the masking, you can change the design of the pipe. So the pipe that's a little bit open like this is actually quite nice looking. I like it. Okay, the ball stuck. Ball stuck there again, unfortunately. So we probably need a pipe with a bigger radius and maybe more of this. So let's try final drop. The simulations might be slow because sverchok is recalculating on every frame. If we turn that off, because the pipe is complete, we have a faster simulations. Okay, so yeah, this is maybe like a concept, and you can try different design. This could be like a 4 stairs as well, actually, instead of pipe. So you design the flow of the stairs of a building, and you try to procedurally doing it. So you can see the drop here is too far away, maybe. So it's not a great design. So if you select grease pencil again, I like using grease pencil. It's really the most powerful tool in Blender. So let's see, can make this fall this way, and short fall there. Let's sverchok update this. The twisting thing, that's because of this bevel curve thing. Maybe I can change the directions or the tracking. There's actually a way to fix this for sure. Maybe using the nerves curve, one of these. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it with this. So this drop can be higher, so the ball can fall faster. Okay, but you know, we got twisting here, so it's gonna be broken. But yeah, it's not perfect, but you can make changes. Let's see how it goes. In the future, I might make like a version 2 of this, but it's a really quick way to create a pipe for a ball, a falling ball. So it's a fun little thing. Maybe you can even like make some kind of like a mechanism, you know, instead of just the pipe. Maybe it's gonna fall into something else. It's gonna do something else. Yeah, hopefully you find this useful. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.